The next tab that we are going to take a look at is the Media Library tab. This is where we house dynamic content, including images, email content, dynamic content pieces. You will find a selection of options over here on the far left side that will expand to show the content options and items for you to select from. You can preview images or content by clicking on the content itself. So for example, if you would like to see what this piece of content looks like, you can click on it and it opens up the content preview. Same for images. All images that are received and housed in this media library can also be viewed by clicking and seeing what those images are. You will work very closely with your capture team to make sure that they have the most current images and items needed to meet your current brand standards.